Hi there, welcome to the test shop here at Saws UK. This is our Comet 350 DV. This is the biggest machine we do of this type with a 350 blade, so it's for very large jobs. And it was a mitering machine. It will miter 45 this way, 45 the other way. There's a stop here that comes out that you take off when you're cutting this way to avoid you accidentally cutting through the vise, so it's a deliberate act removing this so that you can move the vise accordingly to cut this way. Also, there's an additional latch here, which means that when you swivel the machine round and this latch engages, it's exactly 90 degrees. So you don't have to fiddle around looking at the miter scale every time you want to get back to 0 or 90 degrees. The machine has a coolant system here. The coolant goes in here. Obviously you can take this off for cleaning. There is a mechanical pump on the back which can be cleaned and looked after and maintained easily. There is a dead man's handle here. That's the switch that operates the machine, and the thermal overload protection here. The machine has two speeds: slow speed for your more solid materials and a fast speed for the thinner wall tubing, etc. Right, from this angle you can see that there is a door here. You can keep all the spare blades and anything else you need in the workshop in this handy cupboard. This is the double vise. This will hold the work very securely. Sometimes when work deflects it can break the blade, and that's expensive, so actually holding it both sides really does make a difference. And also when the material's cut, you don't end up with that little burr at the end of the cut that's annoying. It'll actually machine right through it, so that both sides of that material are a clean cut. As you can see, it's a very substantial cast iron machine. With this is a scissor guard, which is a safety point. You have to have a guard like that that will scissor open as you pull it through. Just going to do a test cut. There's no coolant on the machine. I've just sprayed a bit of oil on the blade. It's a brand new machine. I haven't even filled it up yet. This blade is a tooth pitch of about 6 millimeters. For this particular pipe, it's about the right tooth pitch. But anyway, you just see it cut, and I think you'll agree that it's quite fast. This machine comes with a standard short measuring stop. You can obviously make it longer if you wish, but we do a roller track which has a measuring system on it as an optional extra. This can be analog, in other words a tape measure, or it can be a digital readout. We do input tracking as well, so huge range of extras with this machine. If you want to do a test cut, you're welcome in our showroom, or you can send us some pieces to cut. We will cut your pieces in front of the video camera like now and send you those pieces back for your examination. Our free phone number is 0800 521 292. That's 0800 521 292. So we look forward to hearing from you.